Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today we are making banga soup. Oh gosh, this is one of my favorite soups and I'm very excited to share the recipe with you guys today. So here I've already, boiled my banga nuts. Like you want to boil it till it's nicely cooked, like till it's very soft. Then now I'm going to transfer that into my mortar and pound it very well. You can use food processor as well, but ensure you know how to use that, okay, so that you don't end up ruining your food. So at the end of the day, I took the mortar down so that I can pound it properly. Then this is me showing you how it looks like after pounding. And I'm going to transfer that into a bowl, add hot water to that. You can make it warm water as well, because at this point it's no longer hot, like warm. I mean the nut, the banga that I just pounded. So I need to ensure that it's warm so that it's easy to extract the oil from it. Okay. So, and that's the reason why I did that. But if it's still very hot, you can just add a little bit of cold water and just extract. You can do this twice or once. Okay. But I just did it once because the liquid I added is already enough for me to, extract all that I need to get out of it. Then I want to transfer this to a pot that you'll be using to cook the soup. Get your sieve and strain it, strain the liquid so that you can get rid of the shaft and whatever um stuff that you don't like to be attached to your soup. Okay, if that makes sense. This is me using my spoon to squeeze out, you know extract it very well, if that makes sense. Okay, and this is what it's looking like. I want to do that, several times as you can, and it is ready at this point. So these are my banga spices. Each of you just get to the market, just tell them what you need, okay? They will sell for you. And that's the belitete, that's the leaf. This one is the thickener. This is the aroma. In fact, don't miss this one. You can miss any other, but don't miss this one. You can also buy the stick, but I usually don't need it actually because I don't even know what that's. Anyways, let me not go into that. Then I'm going to, dissolve the thickener in water before pouring that in, because sometimes it gets lumpy when you just, pour it directly into the soup. And this is my ebeletete. Is it ebeletete they call it, or beletete? Anyways, so but this is the leaf, is dehydrated, so I'm going to also soak that in water so that I can get rid of the dirt and also sand that comes with it. And this is my pot already on the fire, that's the soup. Then I'm going to turn off my gas, add the thickener, so you can see what is at the, down of that, what is beneath the plate. So it's essential that you dissolve it before adding. And this is the leaf as well. I like to add it in the beginning, that way it can soften, because it's a very tough leaf. I want to ensure that you add it from the beginning. So I've added my mixed stock as well. Then I've also added the aroma that I said. Then I added crayfish pepper, that's dry pepper, seasoning salt. You can use fresh pepper as well if that is what you have. I actually do use fresh pepper sometimes, but today I just feel like using dry pepper as well. So I want to mix that very well till it's nicely combined and cover to cook. Okay. So after several minutes of cooking, this is what it's looking like. And at this point, I check out for the taste, but it's not enough. So I just add my seasoning and salt, okay? And the next thing to add is my catfish. I'm using catfish for the soup. And I've already washed it very well. And I also marinated because I left it overnight before making this soup the next day. And you can just do you at this point. Okay, so I'll use any protein of choice. So then cover that to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. This actually took me 15 minutes later, to cook. And this is what it's looking like. And ensure that it's not too thick actually, because when it gets cools, or when it cools down rather, it thickens more. Okay, this is it. It's ready. Enjoy it with starch or eba, or any swallow of choice, or with rice. And I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks guys for watching.